Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to make World of Warships run in full screen mode. First, launch World of Warships and go to Settings. Once you're here in the settings, click on Display, or it will lead you there directly once you click on Settings. And here, you navigate towards the screen mode. As you can see here, what I have right now is full screen windowed. What I have to do is click on that and click on full screen. After clicking on full screen, make sure to set your resolution to the same resolution as what you have on your monitor. Click on apply, and World of Warships will now be in full screen. If your game is stuck in windowed mode, try this shortcut. Press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard, and this instantly switches between windowed and full screen mode. You can also check windows. Right-click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, and make sure your monitor's refresh rate is set correctly. Full screen mode helps with better performance, higher FPS, and less input lag. And that's it. That is how you set your World of Warships to full screen.